Now, with the Central American Caribbean CAC Games a little over 2 months away, Jamaica national senior women's rugby team are set to play warm-up matches in a Tri-Nation series in a bid to win their first ever medal at the Games. The Lady Crocs, a team made up mostly of members from the Sevens squad, are in Trinidad and Tobago after departing the island on Wednesday. On day one of their two-day training camp in the Twin Island Republic, the morning session focused on activation, movement and reconnecting the squad after travel, while the afternoon session targeted structure systems, tactical clarity and match scenarios. The Jamaicans will play the hosts on Saturday in the first match of the Rugby America's North Tri-Nations 15s tournament. The Lady Crocs will then depart Trinidad on Sunday for Mexico, where they'll face their Mexican counterparts. The Tri-Nation series was made possible through the Ministry of Sport, the JOA, Jamaica's High Commission to Trinidad, and the Embassy of Mexico in Jamaica.